coupes on Avant. You're going to stretch this foot in front, go up tourniquet balancing on the ball, place this foot behind and then drop back into a little fondue. Up, fondue. Up, fondue. Up, fondue. So it's on Avant, so you are travelling forwards. Start down, strong leg as you go up, fondue, fondue, fondue. Also, you can do them posé coupes on arriere. Same method, fondue with this foot, step back on this foot. Up, down, down. Posé coupes on arriere, start with your fondue, up, down, down. Posé coupes à la seconde. I'm going to do them on the diagonal so you can see. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.